The contact lever is a steel plate that is attached to your nail gun's trigger. When the contact foot is depressed, the safety linkage pushes against the contact lever, raising it within the trigger. When you pull the trigger, the contact lever pushes the trigger valve and the gun fires. The contact lever is secured by a retaining pin. If the pin vibrates loose, the contact lever will be lost. Replacing the contact lever is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the magazine. Now remove the nose piece. Now I'll remove the safety linkage and the trigger. And I'll separate the trigger from the safety. The contact lever is secured to the trigger with a roll pin. I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I can replace the contact lever. Now I'll place the contact lever inside the trigger and secure it with the roll pin. I'll use my punch to align the two parts. Now reinstall the trigger to the safety. I'll place the spring on the post on the safety, align the post on the trigger with the spring, and snap the trigger into the safety. Now this assembly can go back into the gun. Now reassemble the safety. I'll make sure the small O-ring for the air feed to the piston is in place, and then reinstall the nose piece. I'll secure the nose piece with the screws and bracket. And I'll install the safety spring and the cover. And finish up by reinstalling the magazine. And that's how easy it is to replace the contact lever on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.